think we're all feeling quite relieved, Kim, that we are able to be here today. We were here in September last year, and obviously the matter was then postponed for 9 months, but we're very pleased.
Siqalile isigcawu esivulwe kabusha esiphenya ngokushona kweyishoshovu zangesikhathi sobandlululo ezaziwa ngeCraddock 4 nabathunjwa babulawa amaphoyisa ngesikhathi sobandlululo ngo-1985.
Ulikona bekalele abhekele inyawo zakhe zibheke ngapha akhumuliwe ngapha ngezansi.
Usashaqekile umndeni wentombazane eneminyaka eyi-14 uLikhona Force notholwe esebulewe ngempelasonto eDurban Deep entshonalanga yeGoli.
Our reaction is simple. This is a victory for the people of South Africa. It is a victory for South Africa. And we're very happy that we took this challenge to court because it was necessary.
Inkantolo ephakeme yase-Western Cape isinqume ukuthi asihambisani nomthethosisekelo isinqumo sesishayamthetho sikazwelonke sokuqoka uDokotela uJohn Hlophe njengelinye lamalungu ekhomishana ebhekele ukuyiphatha kwamajaji iJSC.
The Zambia brings something different. With their front three, that's really quick and probably Grace just behind them. So they bring something different.
Ibanyana izobhekana neZambia kusasa emidlalweni okungcweka njengoba ilungiselela ukuyovikela isicoco sayo seAfcon yabesifazane eMorocco ngenyanga ezayo. Mbukeli sikubingelele sikwamukele indaba yenza kusihlwa enizethulela uNoxolo Mamtshali wakwaMwali. Siqalwe kabusha enkantolo ephakeme yaseGqeberha esifundazweni Eastern Cape isigcawu esiphenya ngokubulawa kweyishoshovu ezine ezaziwa ngeCraddock 4. Imndeni okubalwa kuyo okaMatthew Goniwe, okaFort Qalatha kube okaSicelo Mhlawuli kanye nokaSpero Mkhonto ithi isafuna ukulazi iqiniso ngokwedlula kwalaba abane emhlabeni.
Lesi isigcawu sesithathu sokuphenya ngokubulawa kweCraddock 4. Esokuqala saba ngesikhathi sobandlululo, esesibili saba ngo-1993, kanti zombili lezi igcawu ayibanga impumelelo. Ekuqaleni kwalonyaka imindeni yalababane ibisibeka amabala uhulumeni ngokuthi uyehluleka ukuphenya ngobugebengu obenzeka ngesikhathi sobandlululo. Le mindeni ithi ithakasele nje ukuthi sekuseduze ukuthi ithole ubulungiswa.
Well, I think we're all feeling quite relieved, Kim, that we are able to be here today. We were here in September last year, and obviously the matter was then postponed for 9 months, but we're very pleased to have been able to come back to court today and for the inquest to eventually start.
Umnyango wezobulungiswa uthi akwenziwa ngenhloso ukuthi kube nokubambezeleka ekuphenyeni amacala afuzelawa.
We can say there hasn't been a deliberate action to stop or to delay the inquest. You'd note that even now the President has opened and appointed a commission of inquiry to be able to look at those, and that commission of inquiry will deal with the issues.
Ijaji kulenkantolo lilindeleke ukuba lihole uphenyo ngendlela ehambisana nenkantolo kusasa, nalapho kuzobe kubhekwa khona ubufakazi omayelana nokwenzeka kuyiCraddock 4.
Ndakwexwayisa ababukeli ke abasheshe bazwele ngalombiko landelayo. Usashaqekile umndeni wentombazane eneminyaka eyi-14 ukudlala uLikhona Force notholwe esebulewe ngempelasonto eDurban Deep eRoodeport entshonalanga yeGoli.
Khona Force bekubikwe ukuthi unyamalale ngomgqibelo kepha izolo kutholwe isidumbu sakhe sidindilizile esigangeni. Lentombazane ibifunda ugrade 8 esikoleni ikusasalethi usecondary futhi bekufanele ibhale izivivinyo zayo namhlanje. Ukubulawa kwakhe kushiya abaningi beshaqekile.
Khona ukuthi uluyile nalomuntu or abo bantu benze lonto. The way bekungakhona.
Umndeni ukhathazekile ngesimo sesidumbu sothandiweyo wabo.
Ulikona bekalele abhekele inyawo zakhe zibheke ngapha akhumuliwe ngapha ngezansi. Ekhathekile ngapha ngaphansi nala asazi nokuthi ngamagundwane or bebamkhatha bona abafana or kanjani asiyazi.
Kulesihlanu amakhulu abantu amashele station samaphoyisa salapha ekhala ngokwenyuka kwezinga lobugebengu kule ndawo.
Friday kube nemarch we-crime ukuthi simachele crime ngoba icrime itoo much la ward 127 eSol Plaque ku ward yonke. Ibhlungu inhliziyo zethu ibhlungu kakhulu.
Umndeni, abafundi kanye nezisebenzi zesikolo bekufunda kuso uForce bazohlinzekwa ngokwelulekwa ngokwengqondo.
We confirm that the support from the department is not only going to be at the school but also at the family. We have assured them that the psycho support will come here as of today.
Kulindeleke ukuba kusingathwe inkonzo yesikhumbuzo kuleli sonto kanti inkonzo yakhe yomngcwabo izobanjelwa eEastern Cape.
Lephakeme yase Western Cape isinqume ukuthi asamsana nomthethosisekelo isinqumo sesishamthetho sikazwelonke sokuqoka uDokotela uJohn Hlophe njengelinye lamalungu ekhomishana ebhekele ukuyiphatha kwamajaji iJSC.
Democratic Alliance ithi isithakasele lesinqumo senkantolo ephakeme yase Western Cape njengoba kuyiyona yaphonzela inselelo ukuqoka kwakhe uDokotela uHlophe ukuba abe ingxenye yekhomishana ebhekele ukuyiphatha kwabahluleli. Okhulumela leli qembu lezombusazwe elisendaweni yesibili ngobukhulu uthi lokhu kusho ukunqoba kweNingizimu Afrika.
Our reaction is simple. This is a victory for the people of South Africa. It is a victory for South Africa. And we're very happy that we took this challenge to court because it was necessary, particularly because Chapter 8 of the South African Constitution, Section 165 and Section 4 of the Constitution speaks very clearly that courts are supposed to operate independently, that they're supposed to be effective, and that we need to make sure that their dignities are upheld. So it was a matter of importance for the Democratic Alliance for us to go fight to say we cannot have a disgraced and impeached judge.
Uhlaziya ezomthetho advocate Abigail Ngobeni uchaze mayelana nesinqumo senkantolo ephakeme yase Western Cape kulolu daba lika Dokotela uHlophe.
And what the court have said in this decision particularly is the fact that when the National Assembly designated Dr. Hlophe, it was exercising constitutional powers, and constitutional powers needs to be reviewed under the principle of legality. So I can only take it that far to the extent that as it relates to this particular matter. But when you differentiate the two, there are elements that the court look at on whether or not a certain power or certain exercise of a power should either be exercised, should either be reviewed under PAJA or under the principle of legality.
Jalo ngoNhlolanja nyakenye ishamthetho sikazwelonke savotela ukuba suswe kwesokwengamela amajaji eWestern Cape uHlophe emva kokuba ikhomishana ebhekela ukuyiphatha kwabehluleli yamthole necala lokungayiphathi kahle.
Leke ukuthi kusasa inkantolo ephakeme ese Western Cape ilalele isicelo esiphuthumayo seEFF sokuphikisana nokwenyusa kwentela yopetroli. Ngesikhathi ethula isabelo mali eParliament ngenyanga edlule ungqongqoshe wezemali inogodongwana wamemezela ukwenyuswa kwentela yodizili ngo15 cents ilitha kanjalo neyopetroli ngo16 cents ilitha.
Ukwenyuka kwerhafu ngesenti ezili15 nesenti ezili13 zelitha kumafutha wediesel nepetrol ngokulinganayo uza kuqala ukumiliselwa kulwesine. Kwangolusuku lunye ipetrol kulindeleke ukuba ihle ngesenti ezili17 ngelixa idiesel yona iza kuhla ngama-51 wesenti ngelitha. Umbutho weEFF uthe uyasikhaba esisicelo sokwenyuswa kwerhafu yamafutha kwaye wagqiba ngokusa lo mba kwinkundla zamatyala. Uthe kwezinye zezinto eziza kuba ngunobangela woku ukuba ithe ayinyuswa le rhafu kukuba iza kuba nechaphaza elibi kuqoqosho.
Yes, we are vehemently rejecting the and our reasoning is very simple. It's a regressive tax. But also the minister is relying on wrong judgment. So the fuel levy is not a regulatory or an administrative issue. It is a tax issue. And it's a tax of a general application. It doesn't check whether you are rich or you are poor, you are wealthy or not.
Uthi awakhe amagunya ngokuba ayivakalise eluntwini kodwa ukuba mayimiliselwe oko kulele kwisebe lezimbiwa. Uthi esisicelo senkundla seEFF sokunqanda ukumiliselwa kwale rhafu kufaneleke ukuba sichithwe inkundla elithi lombutho khange ufake isebe lezimbiwa kumaphepha walo enkundla. Kwindaba zeSABC ndinguAbongwe Khobokane ndiseParliament.
Ameli wamajaji eFree State umehluleli uPhilip Lopsha kulindeleke akhiphe isinqumo esicelweni sokuthi kungenzeka yini ukuthi owayeqashwe ehhovisi lika Ace Mahashule uMorwadi Cholota waboshwa ngokungemthetho ngesikhathi landwa kwelasemelika. uCholota uyingxenye yababhekene nezinsolo zenkohlakalo ngethenda leigidi zamarandi lokukhishwa kophahla lwezindlu ezayifulelwe ngetsheboya eFree State.
Sesifinyelele emaphethelweni isigcawu ebesihlalela udaba luka Morwadi Cholota ofuna ukukhishwa ecaleni lethende elabiza ngaphezulu kwegidi engamakhulu amabili zamarandi lokukhishwa kophahla lwezindlu ezifulelwe ngetsheboya eFree State. Abameli bakhe bathi akuzange kulandelwe imigudu efanele ngesikhathi eboshwe emelika.
This court, when it was imminent and pivotal for them to do so, they did not place a single person who could speak to this in this box. Instead, they put individuals from other departments who had nothing to do with extraditions. And so the point still stands. The state did not put any evidence, or rather relevant evidence, before this court in relation to the legality or lawfulness of Ms. Cholota's extradition.
Ngothi NPA imile kwelokuthi okushiwo uCholota abunabufakazi uphathekayo ngensolo afuna ukuphunyula ngazo.
That the evidence of the two witnesses is sufficient to prove beyond reasonable doubt that this court has jurisdiction to try Ms. Cholota in respect of all the charges that have been presented by the state.
Ukuthi ngolwesithathu bese kuqhutshekwa necala ukuyilo elihlanganisa bonke laba abathintekayo ezinsolweni zokudliwa kwegidi zamarandi ethenda letsheboya.
Mbukelo kwamanje sisathi iqhu ngapha ngaseyitolo kanti uma ngabe sibuya sokuphathela uWT.
Sikholelwa into bana le murder was premeditated, especially of izinto that we have come to learn.
Inkantolo ephakeme yaseBhisho eEastern Cape isimgixabeze ngesigwebo seminyaka eyi-18 ebhadla ejele uSithembiso Dzengwa nowalahlwa yicala lokubulala intombi yakhe uBabalwa Ngcakani ngoZibandlela wango-2023. Sikubingelele sikwamukele uma ngabe usanda kungena odabeni oluphambili besibike ukuthi siqalile isigcawu esivulwe kabusha esiphenya ngokushona kweyishoshovu zangesikhathi sobandlululo ezaziwa ngeCraddock 4 nezathunjwa zabulawa amaphoyisa ngesikhathi sobandlululo ngo-1985. Mbukela sikhumbuza ukuthi lezi indaba ziyatholakala ku-YouTube kanjalo naku-SABC Plus. Ungena kuzo uyicinge ngamagama athi SABC izindaba. uKelly Smith, uJacqueline Apollis kanye noStephen van Ryn balahlwe icala lokuthumba nokushushumbisa uJocelyn Smith owayeneminyaka eyisithupha ubudala ngalesi yasikhathi bachithe impela sonto yabo yokuqala bevalelwe ejele selokhu kwakhishwa isigwebo eSaldanha Bay eKapa. Lababo bathathu bazodonsa udilika jele ngemva kokuba ithimba labashushisi kuleli cala liphumelele ekukhishweni kwesigwebo sabo. iSABC ikhulumeke neNPA kulesi yasifundazwe ngemva kwaleli cala elichazwe njengenqophamlando.
Akubasebenzelanga ukuthula kwabo bengaphawuli ngesenzo babesolwa ngaso ecaleni lokuthunjwa kukaJocelyn. Umama, ubaba kanye nomngane okwakumele bemvikele uJocelyn bazodonsa udilika jele kanti ithimba labashushisi lisebenze ngokuzikhandla ukuze lizuze impumelelo kuleli cala lichaze leli cala njengelingeke lakhohlakala.
You're working on a missing child case, and that investigation is still active and very much alive. And the fact that we don't have closure, the fact that we haven't found the child is obviously something that weighs heavily on us as mothers, as we both are. And the emotional intensity of that cannot be stated enough.
Udaba lukaJocelyn luchazwe njengolubalulekile ukuhlola umthetho mayelana nokushushumbiswa kwabantu eNingizimu Afrika.
When this matter came across my desk, I knew instinctively that this is going to be the first of its kind, but there was a need to test the law and to expand the law. This would be the very first time that we actually prosecuted for trafficking in persons where a child was sold and had not yet been recovered.
Izicelo zemvumo yokudlulisa isinqumo nesigwebo kulindele ukuthi zilalelwe zingakapheli izinsuku eziyishumi nane kwethulwa isigwebo.
Inkantolo ephakeme yaseBhisho eEastern Cape isimgixabeze ngesigwebo seminyaka e18 ebhadla ejele uSithembiso Dzengwa nowalahlwa yicala lokubulala intombi yakhe ubabalwa Ngcakani ngoZibandlela wango-2023.
Ingqina lombuso uGqirha Ongamanhloko kwingxelo yakhe ngomfi waxelela inkundla ukuba uNgcakani wabulawa ngamanxeba amathathu kwemithambo esekunene komzimba wakhe wangasentla, inxeba elisentliziyweni nakwimiphunga. Okukwenzeka emva kokuba uNgcakani wahlasela uDzengwa ngemela nawathi wamhlaba ngayo amanxeba asondelene entliziyweni namanye ezandleni. Kodwa ijaji uPhilip Zilwa uthe amanxeba enziwa nguDzengwa kuNgcakani abonakalisa isenzo esingaphaya kokuzikhusela, ze wakweba uDzengwa iminyaka 18, isigwebo esingamkelwanga lusapho lakwaNgcakani.
Sikholelwa into bana le murder was premeditated, especially of izinto that we have come to learn, abantu that have come forward ukutsho into bana umoni ebeyithetha into bana uzambulala ubabalwa. And futhi ke siyafuna ubana ne cell phone communication between bona bobabini zifumaneke.
Umbuso uthi noxa nje uzimisele ukusifunda isigwebo uqinisekile ukuba uzidakance zonke iinkcukacha onazo ngelityala. Ndingusidima Mfeku kundaba ze-SABC ndiseBhisho.
Abashushisi ecaleni elibhekene nomsolwa osolwa ngokudlwengula nokubulala uAmantle Samane obeneminyaka e6 ubudala bathi sebekulungele ukwethula leli cala. uSamane waduka ngomfumfu unyakenye isidumo sakhe satholakala ngokuhamba kwesikhathi emjondolo kaMsolwa. Leli cala ke lilahle noma ke lihlale kafushane enkantolo ephakeme yaseGoli namhlanje labe selihlehlisela uNtulikazi.
Umndeni kaAmantle Samane kanye nomphakathi waseSoweto ufuna ubulungiswa ngemuva kokudlungula kubulawe lentombazanyane. Kulindele ukuthi umbuso ubize ofakazi abangaphezulu kwama-20 ukuze kuqine leli cala elibhekene nalomsolwa.
Depending on how the trial will proceed, we might not call all of them, but all in all we have more than 20 witnesses. We've already consulted with them and we are ready to place a formidable case before court.
Lomsolwa ubhekene namacala amane okuhlanganisa lokubulala, ukudlwengula, ukuthumba kanye nokwephula umthetho abokufika ubengekho enkantolo ngesikhathi kuqulwa icala lakhe.
So far we are ready. We have received the contents of the dockets. We went through the docket. So now we know what we are facing with this matter.
Lomsolwa usaqhunywa esitokisini kuze kube uyavela futhi ngoNtulukazi ngemuva kokuba elaqaze isicelo sebheyili ngesikhathi evelile phambilini.
Iqembu iANC eMpumalanga seligxeke kakhulu ukuhlaselwa kwamakhansela. Kuhlaselwe amakhansela amabili egamekweni ezahlukene ePinar ngaphandle kwaseMbombela. Isigameko sakamuva senzeke kulempela sonto esiphuma kuyo. Amaphoyisa ke aqinisekise ukuthi akekho limele kanti uphenyo liyaqhubeka.
Amaphoyisa aphenya izigameko zokudubula ezithinta amakhansela njengoba kuvulelwe ngezulu lezandla ekhaya lekhansela ngempela sonto. Lesigameko kwesenze abamabili amakhansela asehlaseliwe. Imbike engakaqinisekiswa ithi lezigameko zihlobene namaqembu aqhwaga umsebenzi okwakha kule ndawo.
To him, they were sleeping around 2 a.m. on the 31st of May when you heard some gunshot firing. He said luckily his house had high walls so they couldn't get through, but the garage door, bedroom windows were damaged and these people were using a high caliber firearm of which he's suspecting that it was a rifle, but police are still busy with the investigation.
Councillor we-ANC kanti iqembu ligxeke kakhulu lokhu.
Langa condemns the attack of the 2 councillors in Mbombela local municipality, where we got a report that they were attacked in their homes, and we want to believe that these people that are doing this thing must be arrested. Hence, the matter have been reported to the police.
Sunquse izakhambo zokuba zisebenzisane namaphoyisa ukusiza ukuthola izigebengu.
Izisebenzi zezempilo esibhedlela iBarberton District eMpumalanga ziyabhikisha kusolakala ukuthi iqeqebana lezigebengu lisongele abahlengazi nodokotela abasebenza ebusuku ngempela sonto lifuna ukuqedela abantu abathathu ebebengeniswe kuso lesi sibhedlela emva kokudutshulwa endaweni yokucima ukoma eseduzane.
Kuphazamiseke ukusebenza izisebenzi zibeka phansi amathuluzi azo zilwela ukuba kwengwezi onogada ukuze zizizwe ziphephile. Lokhu kulandela ukugasela kwezigebengu e-casualty ward. Leli qeqebane kuthiwa libhekise izinto phansi phezulu ngesikhathi lenza izimfuno zalo kubahlengikazi nodokotela. Manje ke bamise ukusebenza.
So now our members are calling for the MEC and also the HOD of the department to come and ensure that there is an upgrade of security measures in this particular hospital.
Kusolwa ukuthi abasolwa ababili besilisa bangene kule ndawo yokucima ukoma badubula abantu abathathu okubalwa phakathi nomnikazi wendawo. Ababili balaba besilisa bashonele isibhedlela.
We have opened 2 counts of murder with 1 count of attempted murder. So there is a team that has been assembled and to investigate this case. However, so far no one has been arrested.
Kusenjalo umnyango wezokuphepha komphakathi esifundazweni usujube onogada phezukwa abakhona esibhedlela.
It was agreed that there's going to be a deployment of armed response along with 4 additional guards to the security that are already at the hospital. That was done by last night already.
Lezi sebenzi zisabisa ukubhikisha kuze kube imfuno zazo zizwakele.
Kwezemidlalo iBanyana izobhekana neZambia kusasa emidlalweni wokungcweka njengoba ilungiselela ukuyovikela isicoco sayo seAfcon yabesifazane eMorocco ngenyanga ezayo.
iBanyana idlale kahle kakhulu emidlalweni wayo neBotswana nakuba iphumelele kunzima inqoba ngama-3 kwamabili. Ngempela sonto iZambia neBotswana badlale ngokulingana ngelilodwa. Umqeqeshi uDesiree Ellis uthi bayabaza umngozi beqembu laseZambia abazozwana nalamandla kusasa eLucas Moripe ePitoli.
The Zambia brings something different with their front 3 that's really quick and probably Grace just behind them. So they bring something different. So our defensive organization's got to be really good. And when we win the ball, we got to make sure, that we hurt them.
Ellis uthi kuyabakhuthaza kakhulu nokubona kubuya kwezithenjwa zakhe beyilimele njengoba kusondela nomqhudelwano iAfrica Cup of Nations eMorocco. Unozinto weqembu Andile Dlamini ukholelwa ukuthi umdlalo wabo wakusasa neZambia ngeke kube ngolula nakuba kungokungcweka.
Mission ke ukuthi kumele sifike eMorocco ke si represent country to futhi siwine lapha njengama defending champions. Kodwa ke kusuka yonke into inoqala kwayo and uqala kwayo lama friendly games ke akumelanga sifake pressure eningi kakhulu ngokuthi kumele win into kumele uyenze nje kuphela ukuthi kumele ufake your best egroundini ke.
Umdlalo wakusasa weBanyana neZambia uzobe ukhonjiswa bukhoma kuSABC 2 ngehora lesithathu ntambama.
Mbukelo manje sosiqu 8 kodwa kumhlahlo wesimo sezulu uzolandela emva kwekhefu nomkhushulwa Msimanga.
Kwase kwintokozo mbukeli ukuthi siphinde sihlangana njengoba sesisho singanamahloni ukuthi lisikazi ngama-Afrika kakhulukazi engxenyeni ke esentshonalanga okungahambisa nje hambisana namancane nje amathuba emvula kakhulukazi ke engxenyeni esentshonalanga yalapha eWestern Cape ngaphambi nje komsingo obanda ngale kodwa mobuyithi ongena eningizimu enkabeni kanjalo nasempumalanga yezo lapha KwaZulu-Natal enyakatho singaqhubeka nje sisibone isibhakabhaka esithanda ukuba lihlaza okanye libalele sihlabele phambili sisho sithi ke osukwini lakusasa lingasikaza ngamafu ongena ke enkabeni kakhulukazi lapha koNorth West uyongena lapha kwalese Freestata hamba kosuku nalapha KwaZulu-Natal amafu nje kwezinye indawo angathanda ukuhambela phezulu sisho sithi libalele nje ngasenyakatho uyongena phansi lapha eStern Cape komthatha sabalele sika ngamafu kodwa mongena lapha eWestern Cape hambisana nalezi mvula nje ezoqhubeka kusukela ebusuku namhlanje kuwe kofika lapha koqhubeka endaweni ezingasogwini amathuba athanda uba makhuluke kodwa mongena kakhulukazi ke engxenyeni ezilapha eKapa sisho sithi ke iSouth African Weather Service yaskipha isixwayiso sokuthi ngathanda ukuthi ke ulwandle luthukuthali kakhulukazi okanye ligubha magagasi athanda ukuphakama masuka lapha koCape Point yongena koCape Galasi ukusondela ogunike olingaseningizimu sisho sithi ke masamba siyobheka ke amazinga phansi ngivumele ngithi ke kuyabanda nje liyakubuza ukuthi majazi mangaki kuzo zonke indawo ezimaphakathi nezwe kanti ke endaweni ezingasogwini eThekwini uyongena lapha eRichards Bay phansi amaphaphu ngathanda ukuthi ke lifudumale ngokuphapha onhlavelanga obheka komhlaba yalingana ngathanda nje ukuthi lifudumale Mnambithi uyongena eMaritzburg lithanda ukufudumala sisho sithi enkabeni lithanda ukuba phakathi uyongena eGauteng libe phakathi kanjalo nalapha eMpumalanga kona sport kaBhokweni lithanda nje ukufudumala phansi eStern Cape ngathanda ukuba phakathi kubande kancane kuhafu uyongena eSutherland kuthanda nje ukubanda kulozo ndawo kanjalo nalapha eKapa kwanyanga ogugu lwethu ngivumele ngisho ngithi ke ngiyayithatha into benobusuku obuhle.
Mbukelisi sibeka lapha ke bese kuphathele zona kusasa bakhonoza kwethu neindaba ngolwimi lwesiXhosa okwamanje nje usale kahle.